Friends, hello everyone. I finally received my hard drive in a package like this. I don't know how to. Strange. Where to open it? Hdd.
Заклеивали и как? Ну, похоже, что где-то вот здесь, что ли. Непонятно.
Okay, let's open it and have a look.
Что же там? Мне пришло, главное, курьер принес.
They make you sign for it, but what am I talking about?
Короче, дает вот это. Он говорит, не открывайте. Ну, пакет дает, говорит, не открывайте. Я говорю, а как не открывать? Что вы мне там принесли? А, вот где. Тут была вот эта такая вот...
Here's a piece of paper right here. It was in my pocket. I still have a receipt. It turns out I bought it at Svyaznoy General.
Покупал в связном. В общем, странно. Чек просто прикреплен, короче.
On a simple piece of paper.
Все, да? Больше ничего нету. Так, еще вот у нас стикер. Зачем он нужен? Скобки от степлера. Зачем они тут нужны? Видать, от какого-то другого файла взяли, от чего-то другого, не знаю. Так. Еще и файлы упаковали. Курьер даже не
Doesn't know what the hell is here, but how do you not know? But how is it transported to Svyaznoy? He gave it in everything in general.
Нам связной дал и все, в общем. Так, вот он. Красавец.
Manufacturer Western Digital Technologies, Inc.
Technologies, Inc.
United States of America. Manufacturing Plant, Thailand.
Таиланд.
Supplier OLK, Rus, Moscow region.
Московская область.
There's nothing.
Об этом, как его. Когда произведен? Чего тут? Ну, платка какая маленькая. Так, и здесь нет, вот это тоже.
But there is. February 5th, 2019. Wow. Is this a fresh one from this year? Damn. I kept hoping I'd get an old model. From like 1917 or 1918. Maybe. Well, I guess I was hoping it was from here. So, this is a do not eat, do not open it. Well, there's granola here, which... absorbs moisture. It didn't cut through for a second. Okay, here it is. See, what a board. They make fewer and fewer of them. Okay, yeah, I didn't look. Well, the drive is new. Yeah, there are no fingerprints on it. Only I've already installed mine. Absolutely none. New drive, new, what can I say? Anyway, what do we have here? Well, February 5th, 2019, WD Black PC hard drive. So, what does it have? 7200. It says that it has 64 cache. Of course, you can't compare it with my 6.5 byte Seagate Barracuda, which has a cache of, I think, 256 megabytes. Also 7200 revolutions, so let's connect it and see.
Ну что, давайте подключать его и смотреть, работает он или нет.
Now I'll get ready and turn on. Okay, it's ready, then. Adapter. Now we'll plug it in.
USB 3.0.
Okay, we'll plug this thing into our disk.
В наш диск. Это немножко вот так вот высунем и втыкаем. Есть.
There's something spinning up.
Что-то.
Then it clicked, so we can't see the disk, which means our mouse has fallen off. How I don't like this.
Блин, как же мне это не нравится-то. Так,
So what should I do now? Now I need to go and stick this adapter.
вот мне теперь надо адаптер этот. Вот этот вот пойти и сунуть.
Directly into the computer from behind,
Питание.
since there's a catastrophic lack of power for this. That's why my wireless mouse falls off. Okay, now we'll continue. This is very strange, of course, but I connected a Chinese mouse that I bought in China a long time ago. It works without any problems. I plugged it into the same hub TRINOL and the mouse works. It doesn't fall off. It's strange, why? Although it's probably 3 times cheaper
Раза в 4, наверное, в 3 дешевле.
than this branded original, but for some reason the Chinese one works without problems and does not fall off well. Okay, then all the same this problem was.
Ну ладно, значит, все-таки эта проблема была у меня в
In the mouse, so in general we need to go and
Так, в общем, нам надо зайти. Ну, есть,
of
конечно,
course there are
возможность
some breaks, but no one is managing hard drives here as disk 3.
Вот. Диск 3.
We have it displayed like this, and here they ask,
Спрашивают.
use the partition style specified below for the selected disks.
Использование дисков.
And which one do they indicate? Master boot record. MBR, master, record. So, I don't even know what to choose here. I will have it as my main working disk, that is, with toys, with the program. Why remove it?
Почему убрал?
5-year warranty in black. They are supposed to be the most reliable, right? But not the most reliable, but of the more or less affordable ones. Although for its amount I can't say that it is more affordable. For this money you could buy a Balutum for 3 terabits, let's say. The speed, of course, is 5400. I needed exactly 7200, and its speed is slightly higher compared to WD Blue.
Чуть повыше.
But we'll check that now. First, we need to designate it to the system.
Ну, обозначить в системе. Так.
Note,
Примечание.
the GPT partition style is not recognized by all previous versions of Windows.
Предшествующими версиями Windows.
Master boot record.
Запись. Это почему? Вот, ну ладно.
Let's make it like this. It's not distributed here. We also have 931 and a half.
Вот у нас тоже 931 с половиной. А blue был...
Ah, well, 931, 51. So, let's create a simple volume. Next. So, to the maximum. So, G, but I don't need G. It will go in place of D. It will probably get there later.
За место D, наверное, он потом встанет.
So, next. So, NTFS, new volume. Next, done. That's it. It's identified in the system. Basic, primary partition. Here it is. Its properties. 168 megabytes are I wonder what's wrong with it? And there's nothing here. Strange as it may seem. Oh, what could be occupied then? Can anyone tell me? That's the only problem. Its sensor is far away. So I guess that's why it works like that. It's not worth formatting.
Так, стоит, не стоит его форматировать.
Let's do a quick format.
Быстрое форматирование мы сделаем.
See how fast. Okay, so what? I get it. Yes, that's how it will be. It's probably some kind of service information stored there. I get it. That's it. I remembered. Or rather, everything seems to be like that. Let's check its speed like this. We open it like this.
Так, его скорость. Так, открываем.
Crystal disk phosphorus like this for some reason after opening. In short, this crystal disk mark.
Короче, этого. Crystal disk mark.
Yeah, here it is. Now I'll show you again. Anyway, we've increased the recording speed since only one sound was recorded. So I'll show you again. And we're already writing data to it, since even this 78 gigabytes, 7080 gigabytes won't make any difference to me. In my opinion, or will affect look, it's already 187, and there were 210. Oh my god, that's the wrong disk. Yeah, stop, I said. Stop, stop, stop. That's it. The task is off. For some reason, the wrong disk was selected. Oh my. Here it is. Here, 76 gigabytes written. Let's go. So, it's finished after all, but now I don't like it. There were 210, believe me. There were 180 or something. Or 200. I don't remember anymore. Well, for some reason. Well, this is random, of course, reading and writing. Maybe I'll do it again. It will be more or the same. In general, the main thing is that it's not less than this. So now I want to show this means we open the computer. Okay, and from here what else can I do? Large folder. It should be large. Now I will move this folder. Or is it too big? This will take a very long time. There is nothing smaller there, so okay, let's go then copy. Install this in short, and the service is installed the game and if I can copy them and then paste them in place, and they will work, that will be very wonderful. The speed goes up. Let me remind you that it, in short, never drop below 150 megabytes per second, somewhere 150, 180, 190. That's how it jumped, but now, for some reason, it has become much less. Well, I don't know, maybe the volume is large and the files there are different. I probably should have taken some movie, right? About 20 gigs. They're about 30. I probably have 4 such films. Or maybe not. Anyway, friends, something like that. I won't show the whole process. Record a lot of information, then edit it all for a long time. Watch trim in general, something like this is normal. I think the disk is okay since it is already. Well, time will tell. And I repeat once again, 5 years of warranty still do their job. Well, we will see further. Then I will shoot a video even further as I change takeout. The disk that is there, and in my computer there will be only this one working disk, and that Seagate for 6 terabytes will be like such a file storage. It will be separately when needed. I connected it, unfortunately the battery on the camera died, so I record conversational video like this. Well, and when it ran, I connected it, transferred the information, in general, recorded. I copied what was needed and put it back so that it does not exhaust its resource. It already has many hours of operation there. In my opinion, some thousands. It's been hours or something. Well, all my friends, and everyone has seen it for themselves, of course. The file came out with UBS for some reason. I only wrote the voice, and there was a black screen. That's it, friends. Let's go. Good luck to everyone. Health to everyone. Until next time, see you soon. Subtitles by Dima Torzak.